Stop using duct tape on your air ducts. It sounds crazy because it is literally in the name, but standard gray duct tape is actually the worst possible thing you can use to seal your HVAC system. If you go into your attic or basement right now, there is a good chance you will see old gray tape peeling off, hanging loose, or completely dried out. The problem is the adhesive. The rubber-based glue on standard duct tape is not designed to handle the extreme temperature changes of a heating and cooling system. When your furnace kicks on, the heat dries out the glue, turning it into a powdery dust. When the AC runs, the condensation makes it lose its grip. Within a year or two, that seal fails, and you are leaking expensive conditioned air right into your attic or crawl space. Historically, this tape was originally designed for sealing ammunition cases in World War II, not for HVAC. The name duct tape stuck later, but it is a misnomer. In fact, building codes in many parts of the U.S. explicitly ban using standard cloth-backed tape on air ducts because it fails the UL safety tests. Here is what you should use instead. You have two professional options. The first is aluminum foil tape. This looks like shiny metal. It uses an acrylic adhesive that is engineered to withstand extreme heat and cold without drying out. It forms a permanent bond that lasts for decades. The second option is Mastic Sealant. This is a fibrous, gooey paste that you paint onto the joints. It dries rock hard and creates a completely airtight seal that will never peel off. It is messier to apply, but it is the gold standard for sealing irregular gaps. Go check your ductwork. If you see gray tape, rip it off. Clean the surface and apply foil tape or mastic. It is a $10 fix that will lower your utility bills immediately.